Got my 2007 Honda Rancher TRX 400 FGA. It's got some kind of noise in the front end. I don't know what it is. I think something's not right. It's wearing out the front left tire. Right there, look. I hate to take it to Honda and get ripped off. 150 bucks an hour. Those are brand new tires on it. There's the tires that came off. The bottom wears the right. It didn't wear out hardly at all, but look at that. How much that wore out. That was the left front. I got brand new tires from the Honda dealer. Brand new takeoffs for $150. They come out to $159 with tax. There's something right down in here. It's something. I don't know what it is. Something's not right though. I'm not a mechanic. I hate to take it to Honda and get ripped off.